Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.5, Problem 14. This is Section 2.5, Problem 14. It says divide the fractions, and we have 2/9 over 2/9. So this is what you would call a complex fraction. You have one fraction over the other. But in reality, what we have is the same value over itself. So keeping that in mind, I say the answer is going to be 1. Let's see if it does happen. Like if you add 10 over 10, it should reduce to 1. So the first thing I will do is write it in its more conventional division format. Instead of 2/9 over 2/9, I'll write 2/9 divided by 2/9. And then with any division problem, the first fraction can stay the way it is. So the first fraction is 2/9, it'll just stay 2/9. I'll change the division to a multiplication, and then I will invert or simply flip the second fraction. So 2 over 9 flips to 9 over 2. So now if you pre-reduce, the 2 over 2, 9 over 9, everything cancels and you get 1. Or if you had multiplied, top times top, 2 times 9 is 18. Bottom times bottom, 9 times 2 is also 18. And then 18 over 18 does reduce to 1, which is what I thought would happen in the beginning because I have the same value over itself.